Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be going through a Course Creator 360 walkthrough. And so this is going to be like a bird's eye view as far as what Course Creator 360 has to offer. So I come from a standpoint in which I actually recently just exited out of my course creation business. It was bought out by another company, and with that being said, I've used Thinkific, Teachable, Kajabi, and Course Creator 360 has to be my all-time favorite. And the really good thing about it is that if you use my link down below, you are going to be able to test it out yourself with a free 30-day trial. So you've got nothing to lose. If you don't like it, you can just, unsubscribe. But even so, they give you 30 days for free to actually try it out yourself. Now, with Course Creator 360, this is the dashboard. So once you're actually opted in, this is what the dashboard looks like. Just as I mentioned, this Course Creator 360 account of mine isn't really as active anymore just because I recently exited out of this business. But even so, the dashboard is just where you see a bunch of data as far as opportunity status, opportunity value, conversion rates, stage distributions. Here you can see a bird's eye view of all your funnels during the acquisition process or conversion, onboarding, or reviews process. Here you have the different tasks, manual actions, lead source report, Google Analytics report if it's connected, Google Business Profile, so if you're brick and mortar, Facebook Ads Report if you use Facebook Ads, or Google Ads Report if you use any of those ad spends. Under the Conversations tab, this is where you're going to see a centralized outlook of all your conversations, whether it's on WhatsApp, email, Instagram, Facebook Messenger. You can centralize all of your conversations here, and you could also set up trigger links or templates to actually just auto respond when it comes to, let's say there's a certain word within that people are sending you, like the word free, it'll automatically send them a message, and you can set that up through automations, but I'll show you that later on. Calendars is where you can see all the appointments being booked from your team. So if you're like a heavy sales call volume team, you can see all the different appointments that people have booked throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the day, based on user. So this is a really good bird's eye overview as far as seeing what appointments are being set by your team and what sales are they closing and such. Contacts, I'm not going to click on contacts just yet, just because it's going to show a lot of other people's personal information. But anytime someone opts into one of your forms and gives you whatever personal information that they want to provide you with, whether it's email, first name, last name, company name, address, phone number, all that information is going to be stored under contacts. And under contacts, you're also going to be able to create smart lists. So I have like lists of contacts based on where they came from, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. I have lists of contacts, but whether they're a paying customer or a non-paying customer. So you can segregate these contacts within Course Creator 360 as well. Now, opportunities, I don't use this too much, but I feel like I should. But this is more, from my understanding, I think it's like a way to kind of segregate where money is not being taken advantage of when it comes to lead nurturing. So people who opt into one of your forms, for example, lead nurturing, you can tell who's kind of in the initial outreach stage. You can tell who's responded, meaning that they're interested. You can tell who's canceled, who's set up a call, a qualifying call. So this is kind of like a Kanban board or like a Trello style board to kind of understand where there are opportunities for you to actually talk to customers or potential leads and land sales with them. Under payments, this is where you're going to see your sent invoices, transactions being made. This is where you're going to be able to see which invoices have been settled. And so moving on from that, we have marketing. So Course Creator 360 does have a built-in social planner. So I don't really use this as much anymore because I've recently exited out. But under emails, you can see all the campaigns I've ever set up. So just a few email, I basically organize it by email newsletter and then email blasts, meaning like one-time email blasts. Under templates, this is where I set up a bunch of nurture sequence emails. So I have some for Black Friday, low ticket offers, price increase campaigns. So this is where you actually, or where I design my personal emails. And then under automation, this is similar to ClickFunnels, like funnels basically. So this is where you could actually set up automations and such. So if I go into one of my actual funnels here, let's check this is a very basic funnel, abandoned cart. So if someone adds one of my products to their shopping cart but then they abandon the cart, they're automatically going to be sent an email. So this is what it looks like. It's a very simple email sequence where I give them a discount if they still don't feel like, if they haven't applied just yet, but I also give them email scoring. Email scoring is a bit more advanced, but the really good thing about Course Creator 360 is that they actually teach you how to set up email scores so that, a contact who opted in like 6 months ago isn't going to be as warm of a lead as someone who just opted in yesterday and responded to your email. So there's a lot of different ways you can actually set up automations, and with itself, I would say Course Creator 360 does a really good job as far as teaching you how to actually perform these functions and actually understand these functions. And so under sites, this is where you're actually going to build out your funnels, your websites, and your stores. So the good thing about Course Creator 360 is that they actually have pre-built-in funnels and actual templates that you can start from so that you don't have to start from the ground up. And so this is something that Go High Level doesn't have as well. So what Course Creator 360 builds their funnels upon is proven funnels that have worked for them, or proven landing pages that have worked for them. So this is what I really like about them, and it's basically helped expedite my processes as far as getting my digital service business up and running. Memberships is where you're going to see your digital products and offers. So first you're going to be hit with the dashboard. And unfortunately, I've made no opt-ins, no sales, no checkouts, no members. But like I said, I haven't been using this for quite some time now. Under products, this is where you're going to see all your digital products, whether it's online courses or digital products. So you can see these are all my digital products that I've sold before. Media storage. This is where all your media is going to be stored. So anytime you upload photos or videos, this is where it's going to be stored. Now, reputation, I don't really use this tab too much because I don't really ask for reviews as much, but I feel like this would be beneficial for a lot of brick and mortar businesses or actual online e-commerce businesses. Reporting is like a bird's eye overview of Google Ads, Facebook, attributions, call reports, agent reports. So this is what that looks like. And then what I want to jump down is to the template hub. So as I mentioned before previously, Course Creator 360 does a really good job as far as providing you with templates goes. And so if you're not someone who's trying to become like an expert funnel builder or trying to become an expert landing page builder, why not start with funnels that look like this, right? Just to help you get going and just not have to kind of tread through the dirt as far as just trying to get a landing page up and running. So this is the template hub that they provide, and you can just import the template. And what I like about it also, again, is that they give you templates that have worked previously for them before. So these are successful, let's say 6-day launch sequence packs that have worked for them. These are successful online course website packs that have worked for them. So these templates just make it super easy for you to get your website up and running and really just achieve that minimal viable product to get you to start selling to your potential leads and customers. On top of the template hub, they have this 14-day bootcamp, and I absolutely love this 14-day bootcamp. It's basically a series of walkthrough videos that guide you step by step on how to connect your domain, on how to create your first community, on how to create your first funnel, on how to create your checkout page. So they literally go through step by step how to actually do certain aspects to get you to that MVP status. MVP meaning minimal viable product up and running. So this is something that I found extremely helpful especially for someone who is completely new to the CRM software. So if you're not really technical, if you're not really good or tech savvy, this is where this is going to come in handy, where let's say if you click on this video here, you can just watch this video and it's going to give you a step-by-step process on how to actually do this. I absolutely love this, and it really helped differentiate me doing well with Course Creator 360 rather than Kajabi or rather than Thinkific or Teachable. That's pretty much it as far as the walkthrough goes. The last tab, you can see the change subscription. If I click on settings, you're going to see a lot of back-end stuff, such as like setting up your calendars, inviting new teammates, setting up your own business information and such. But even so, I absolutely love Course Creator 360, and if you're thinking about giving it a shot, you have a free 30-day trial if you use the link down below to actually try it out yourself. So I highly recommend you do so. But if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be more than happy to help out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.